What's up guys, it's Nordyalex here, and today we're going to be doing an installation video on how to install Optifine for Minecraft 1.6.2 on the Windows operating system. Hopefully this installation tutorial will be useful for later versions of Minecraft, but for now this will work for Minecraft 1.6.2. So the first thing we're going to do is locate where our .minecraft folder is. So the way we're going to do this is by pressing the Windows key on our keyboard and R, and it's going to open up the run box. In the run box we're going to want to type %appdata% and then press OK or press enter. So we're going to click into that and it's going to open up this nice looking folder here. Now the top folder, as you can see, is .minecraft, and this is where we want to go. If you cannot see .minecraft in this folder and you've scrolled all the way down to the bottom, basically you've saved your Minecraft somewhere else and you should know where that is. So go find it and then continue out the same process. So we're going to go into our .minecraft folder, and basically what we're going to do originally is we're going to create a backup. Now the way we're going to do this is on your desktop or wherever you want to put it, we're going to create a folder saying backup jar for Minecraft. Simple as that. And basically so what you can do is select everything that we've got in here and drop it on into the folder we just created. So it's going to basically mean that there's nothing in here, so when we next load Minecraft it's going to have a blank jar. Now so it's now got the blank jar. Now what you're going to do is run your Minecraft game. So we're going to double click onto here, and I'm going to quickly cut out and cut back so that my email and stuff doesn't get shown on the screen. So be right back. Okay, so we are back, and basically with the new launcher it's really buggy, and you have to sometimes what I had to do is I had to do my enter my email and password. I then had to let it load for about 2 or 3 minutes and then close it down because it felt like it just wasn't doing anything. When I opened it back up again and I'd done it again, basically it brought me to this screen, or actually I had to log in again and it brought me to this screen. So just keep closing down and opening it back up, and hopefully you'll get into it eventually. So once you do finally get into the .minecraft or the Minecraft start screen, you're going to click on play so that it can finish downloading all the stuff into the .minecraft folder, because as of yet none of it is in there. So we're going to let this finish loading and the game's going to load up, and once it gets to the title screen you can close the game down. If we now go back into our .minecraft folder, you can now see all these files are back in it. So there we go, we've now got fresh minecraft.jar and we are ready to install the mod. So our first stage is going to be going on to, as you can see I'm already one step ahead, we're going to go on to Google, and in Google we're going to type in Optifine, or in a search browser type Optifine. Hopefully the top link for you will be minecraft.net, minecraftforums.net, and this is the link we're going to be going to. So you're going to click on this link and it will take you to the Minecraft forum page, and for the purposes of this video we're going to be installing the Ultra. There is no difference between the installation on how to install any of these. If so, you can use the installation guide here, which is already on the page, and it's as simple as that, and there's a installation on how to do it there. So we're going to go into the Ultra and we're going to use the mirror so that we don't have to go through AdFly. However, I do suggest going through AdFly. I'm only using it not using it for the purpose of the video, as it gives the creator of the mod some props. So it's loaded in, and we're now going to click on this middle link to download Optifine. As you can see, my internet's pretty okay today, and we've managed to install download Optifine. So we're going to quickly drop this onto our desktop, or save it to our desktop, however you want to do, or however you're prompted to do it. So that it's easy access if we've got it on our desktop. We're now done with our browser, so you can minimize this out, but don't forget you are watching the video on it, so you might not be able to minimize out just as of yet. So I'm going to minimize my browser, and we're going to go back to where our .minecraft is located. So let's go back to here, and I'm just going to quickly bounce this up so it covers up half the screen and we can still see our Optifine thingy up here. So you've got this folder now called versions instead of bin, and you're going to want to go into the versions and you're going to see a folder called 1.6.2. This is what your Minecraft is running off now. So we're going to quickly right click on this and click on copy, and then we're going to click underneath in this white space and right click and paste, so that it's now got a copy of this jar, so that you've always got the original there. We're then going to rename the copy to Optifine. So we're going to rename that to Optifine and just press enter so it's saved. You're going to go into the double click on the Optifine folder, and inside it you're going to see a 1.6.2. This is actually the .minecraft jar type of thing, and a .json. So that's what we're going to do. We're actually going to drop the Optifine files into the jar. So we're going to right click and open with and WinRAR archiver, or an equivalent. So an equivalent would be 7-zip. So we're going to click on WinRAR archiver, get rid of the ad that pops up, and I'm going to quickly just bump this into the left hand side. In the Minecraft.jar there is a folder called meta-inf. Get rid of it. This thing basically is bad. It won't work if you keep it installed. So all you're going to do is click on it, press delete on the keyboard, press enter, bam, done. Simple as that. We've now got going to want to open up the Optifine folder, so that's being done here. And basically, if you click on the assets folder, hold shift, scroll down to the bottom, then hold shift and left click on the bottom one. It will highlight everything in the folder. Then you're going to want to hold left click and drag and drop it across to the .minecraft folder. And try not to drop it in one of these folders because it could go inside one of them, and at that point it won't work. But everything else we're going to just drag and drop it into the .minecraft area. So I'm just going to let go. It's going to prompt you. You can press OK. It's going to load in, and that's done. You're now done with the .minecraft jar, so we can close that. And we're now done with the Optifine thingy, so we can close that. And now there's a little bit of renaming to do, so how it's going to locate all of these files. So this is quite simple. You're going to rename the .jar, this one we got at the top here, the 1.6.2, to Optifine. So the exact same way as you named it in the folder above. So we got that one there, and then we're going to rename this one to Optifine as well, and then press enter. There's one last thing that we have to rename, and it's inside the .json folder. So we're going to right click, and I'm going to edit with Notepad++. You need to edit it with Notepad or Notepad++ or something similar, so that it's basically a text editor. So we're going to edit with Notepad++, and basically is what we've got at the very top here. You can see it here. 1.6.2 is the ID that it's running from. We also need to change this to Optifine. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to click on save. Once you've done that and you've definitely clicked on save, you can close this text file down. You've now installed Optifine. Optifine should work. We're just going to double check that. We're going to close down this folder. We're going to go to our Minecraft. We're going to click on run, or you can untick that box. You don't have to do it. And as you can see at the bottom, for me it's already selected ready to play Minecraft Optifine because it's using that folder. If it's not saying use Optifine, you can click on edit profile, and where it says use version, you've got it in there, released Optifine. So select that, then click on save profile, and then click on play. To know if it is working, and it has worked, you're going to want to click on options, video settings, and bam, you've got it all here. You can see where it's installed because you've got quality, performance, other, and you can put the render distance up, etc. That's it. It'll work in game. I thank you guys for watching this video. If the video has helped you out, hit that like button, I know that obviously these videos are helping. And yeah, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.